Oh, welcome, my name is Miguel, nice to meet you guys. I need to explain the Yellow Capsule areas, okay? First of all, we have the lobby, okay? It's very important to know in the middle of the night, we close the door, but don't worry, if you want to go out, just me open or other breakfast. It's included in reservation. I start 7 a.m. and finish 10 a.m. Okay. To my left we have the door for the different areas. The next lockers area. Okay. And in the same area we have the men restrooms, women restrooms. Okay. It's very important to know. You have 5 showers in the men restrooms and 5 showers for the women restrooms. Okay. So your locker is the same number for the capsule. Okay. In this case, 31, 32, 31, 32. Okay. Good. So we have a code of conduct for the rooms area. Okay. Please, in the rooms area, no eat, no drinks. No smoke, cell phone in silence please, or in vibration mode, please. No run, okay. Your shoes, please put in your locker. Oh, we have a specific area for your shoes, very near to the men restrooms, okay. For no make big noise because it's area only for sleeping. Okay. No trash, please. Good. Questions?
No.
You have your own capsule, individual, one for each, and this is for you to sanitize. Anything you want to sanitize, you can do it with this tool. And you will have this in all your stay. Okay?
Okay, thank you, sir.
That's it.
is for the capsule, okay, the car. Just put, look at this panel, is outside your capsule. Just put right here, and automatic open the door.
Hello, Nomads. What you just saw was a nice tour of the Yellow Capsule Hotel. It's a very unique place. It's basically a hostel, but it's on another level of hostels. I'm inside my capsule now, so you have to talk low because you have to be aware of your noise, and you have to be courteous to other people. All I can say is, once again, step outside your comfort zone and try something new. This has been a really, really good surprise, and I enjoyed it, and I will come again. But take care, and let's go see the world together.